and welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to apologize for being gone for so long. I did have my baby back in January. I gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. Her name is Mia, and you'll meet her in my next video, but yeah, it's just taken me a lot longer than I thought to get adjusted to motherhood and work out a schedule with Mia. She's not your average baby. She definitely has her quirks that we're trying to work with, so yeah. But I just wanted to sit down and finally film a makeup video. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, and I've tried several times and it just fell flat. So today I got this beautiful bright summertime eye, and if you want to see how to get this look, then just... So I'm going to start out in the crease of my eye, and I'm taking the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to start out with this shade of orange and then go in with this shade. I'm just going to take that and pop that right up in the crease of my eye, and I'm staying at the upper portion of my crease right here. Then I'm going to go in with that darker shade and go slightly lower, but still staying higher up in the crease. So I'm going to move to a slightly smaller brush, and I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm taking the shade Gossip, and that's going to get worked right in the actual fold of my eye. I'll go back in with that lightest orange shade from the Morphe palette. Just gonna blend everything out. Then with a clean brush, I'm just going to lightly blend right over the top edge line of that orange shade. So for my lid, I'm going to first start out by taking some concealer. This isn't really just to create the cut crease, because I am going to blend this out, as more of I'm using it as glue to stick down the next shade I'm going to put down. The next shade I'm going to use is Calavera from the Full Spectrum palette, and it can be kind of chalky, so if you have a sticky base, it'll help have things, like, it'll hold on to things a lot better. So I am going to go in with Calavera right here. And I'm going to apply that right to my eyelid. So once I have that down, I'm going to go back in with Gossip and blend that crease line out, because I didn't want it to be a cut crease look. I'm going to go slightly back. This is that same brush I used in the orange. Didn't dip it back into the product. I'm just going to use that to just, again, blend everything out. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use Platonic from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, which is kind of like a slightly glittery black. And I'm just going to align my top lash line with this. On my bottom lash line. Then on a slightly pointed fluffy brush, I'm taking the shade Gossip, and I'm going to run that right over top of Platonic, just to get a really nice smoke going. The next step is to curl our lashes and then apply mascara, and I'm using Essence the False Lash Mascara. So for cheeks, I'm going to go into this gel highlighter. So this is called Super Glow, and this is from Smoke and Mirror Cosmetics. I'm gonna pop this right on the top of my cheeks, and then use my fingers to just kind of smooth all of that out. For blush, I'm going to go into Sunkissed from my Ulta Face palette. Then for highlighting my brow bone, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Illumination palette, and I'm taking the shade right here, which is Sweet Peony. And that's going to get popped right under our brow. I don't know if you can hear that, but the vacuum has worked its way into my office. I'm also going to pop a little bit of this Sweet Peony in the inner corner of my eye. And then for lips, to keep everything nice and soft and nude, I'm going to go in with the Tarteist lip paint. And this is in the shade Birthday Suit. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, make good choices.